If this is your first time here, make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on your notification, and give us the thumbs up. Welcome everyone to another video.
So the next step, now that we set up our VPN server, is basically we'll set up the user and their passwords. Okay, that's already saved. So to do that, we're going to go to our config tree. Then we go to our VPN, PTP, remote access, authentication. We'll make sure this is local, and then username. So I'm going to add a user. I can give it whatever name I want. So I'll just use VPN user, update the list. And then I'll give it a password. So password is good enough. Review, and then we'll apply. So we're going to apply this configuration, and it has been applied successfully. We go back here. So all the settings has been applied to our VPN server. So with that has been set, we can now log out of here and then go to our other computer so we can set up our client to access this network. So
now that we set up our VPN server and our remote control system network, we are ready to set up our VPN client and test our connection and access our PLC and HMI remotely. So let's go ahead with that. We're going to go to network setting, and then in here I'm going to click on VPN, add a VPN, select Windows. I can call my VPN connection any way you want, so it's VPN. And as already know, our IP address for our VPN server is 192.168.0.5. And we're going to use the username and password. That's basically the main settings that you will need to do to set up your VPN client. Our VPN connection, so we're going to see if we can connect connection, and we are connected to our VPN server, so that's good. Now next step, we're going to make sure we can ping our remote PC that will be used for IoT PLC and HMI. As we know, the IP address for that PC is 192.168.2.10. So let's see if I can ping it. Yeah, the ping it's okay, so that's good. Now we're simply going to use the remote desktop, which is a feature that's come with Windows, so there's nothing to install. So the IP address is that's, and we're going to connect. Now I want to mention something here before I move on to the next step. For the remote desktop to work properly, of course we have to enable it in the remote PC, otherwise it's not going to work. Okay. And it's connecting, so it just have that with SysMac already open, so I'm just going to close it. And as you see here, this is our IP address, so I'm remotely accessing that computer. And I'm gonna. Well, there we go. So we're connected with our PLC, no problem. We're live with the PLC, and we can upload, download, all kind of things we need to do. Like if we were local to that PLC. I can also go here, and I'm just going to insert HMI so we can access it. I have my niche. Say OK. Or if I have a program, I can upload or download to it. And then I'm going to set up the IP address in here, 92.168, and it is 250, and it's 2. If we test it, it's OK. Let's make sure this is going through the hub. And we see if we can go align with it. And there we go. So we're aligned with the HMI. No problem at all. We can upload and download. So I'm just going to synchronize units. So it's going to take a couple seconds here. So now I can transfer from the device, or the device will do what I need to do. Furthermore, if I have VNC viewer, and I have that installed set up, which is, by the way, you can see that from here. HMI settings, and it's under here VNC, so we can set it up from here. Well, this HMI is already set up, so we're going to access the HMI so we can see the runtime and interact with it. So we're going to see, so this is my IP for the HMI. I'll say connect, and I put my password, and I am in business. Right now I don't have any screens or anything, but I can access the settings as if I was local to that HMI. So I can do whatever I need to do. Now, these settings, of course, you can have it secured, so not anybody can access the settings, even if it's, that person is local to the HMI. So the way to secure that, I'm just going to share that with you guys quickly. We can go here under the security settings. If we go here, by default, there's no security to access the system menu, so anybody can access it. But if we want to protect that, I can first create the role. So I'm just going to call it operator. This operator role, I'm going to give him level 1 and 2, and then in the system menu level, I'm going to pick level 3. So unless you have level 3 or up, you cannot access this system menu. Now if I create a user here on, for example, and I can give it the password, so it doesn't matter. And then I'm going to pick the role I just created. So now this user belongs to the operator group, and they only have access to level 1 and 2. So in system menu, you need to have level 3. So unless you have level 3, then you can't access the system menu. So that's how you can basically secure the access to the settings in here. So you need to have, the level 3 or up to be able to access it. And of course, you need to set up the login and all that stuff on your screen. So I just want to share that with you guys quickly, so you're aware that you can secure the system menu. So with that has been said, that concluded the demonstration of how you can set up remote access using VPN to access your PLC and HMI. In this case, it is an NJ and NA HMI.
If you made it this far, make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on your notification, and give us the thumbs up. And again, thank you for watching.